Whose car is this?
It's a manual, it's mine.
Oh, it's a manual?
It's a manual.
Oh my, look how big this thing is.
See if she works.
That's a lot of weight, man.
It's a good car.
That's a nice car. Ooh!
Okay.
Yours starts right up, man.
Yep. I think I'm going to have some fun.
Yes. We're gonna win this event in our Jaguar. Our Jaguar is badass.
Oh, you fuck.
We're gonna kick their ass.
We have some oil. We have the secret ingredient, power boost, and we have a nice smelly air freshener.
All right, Dada, what'd you buy for our car?
Nothing.
Cigarettes, and I bought the Coke. Don't hit him now. No, 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 no.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Windows down. We're going to keep our sunroof open because it's actually quite a nice sunroof. What else are we going to do? And we're basically going to teach you American bastards how to drive. Close the door, close the door quickly.
Hey, hold on, no, don't hit the door. Oh, you bastard. Dada, hold on. Oh! Dada's got his crash helmet on. Oh no! He's gonna get us! He's gonna get us! Oh no! Oh no! Dada, back up! Back up! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! He's gonna hit us hard! Get out now! Get out! Oh! Oh shit! No! Go! Go! No! No! Ah! Oh! Shit! Go! No! They're gonna kill us! They're gonna kill us! No! Shit! No! No! Oh! You bastards! Yes! 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 We're going about 50 miles an hour and our wheels are about to fall off. Oh no! Die no! Oh no! Oh! Oh shit! Oh! Flip it. He said stop. Stop. Hey, let's look at damage report.
I think you're wrong with your wheel.
Oh, quality.
If we see blood, we'll stop, promise.
Oh, thank you. All right, Dado. Go right because make.
Bye bye.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Go! Go! Oh shit! Oh! No way! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no! Tree! 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 Slow down! Oh shit! Oh. We passed the turn. Ram them! Oh shit! Now they're coming after us. J-turn! J-turn! Oh no! Oh no! Shit! Go! Go! Get him! Oh no! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Go back! Go! Get out of the way! They're coming! Oh shit! No! 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 Ow! Oh, you okay? You okay?
No!
Hold on. Get out, get out, get out. It's gonna explode. Get out, it's gonna explode. Go out, Dado. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Get out. Oh, no. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're gonna explode.
You got stuck. I've T-boned them there, as you can see. Smack! You just two little scared rabbits though, like in headlights in the car, sitting there going fuck, fuck.
No.
You see, we're like this.
Holy shit. Dado, how did you survive that?
Full opposite lock. We look left.
Oh my god.
It's not going anywhere.
It looks like Christine. Oh shit. The original plan was what?
A Range Rover.
And you and a Robin right.
And us in a Mini. Thanks a lot.
But we ditched that idea. I'm bleeding. Nice.
Yeah, from the exhaust.
Let's go fun, let's go.
Just my knees holding, that's all.
Alright, make sure we got all the crap out of the crap. Alright, my shoulder's really killing me. My fucking neck hurts. This is our last day in Europe, and we're going to the hospital now. I'm just kidding. This is gonna be an uncomfortable plane ride with a broken knee and a broken neck.